And every defense aspirant has his own journey towards recommendation. See, I always keep hearing कि सर उसने ऐसा किया, मैं भी ऐसे करूँगा. Trying to understand as to how to arrive at the correct answer of 1,000 times has gone waste. What is correct for A may not be correct for B. He is that personality who has understood his weakness and has removed his weakness. Hello, my dear friends and my defense aspirants who are planning to give their SSBs. So, one of the most important questions that is always asked to me is how to prepare for your SSB. And yes, that is an important question which one should answer for himself or herself to ensure that you get recommended as fast as possible. So, there are two kinds of categories of people who are giving SSB. One who are freshers, and the others who have gone to the SSBs, have seen the system and have become repeaters. I mean, I will tell you a few aspects which you have to keep in mind while preparing for the SSB. See, preparing for a competitive exams like IAS or any JEE or other medical NEET, it's totally different from the kind of preparation you require there and what kind of preparation you require here. Okay, so I know all of you are full of josh. You do a lot of hard work to see that you get recommended as soon as possible. But the question that you have to ask yourself is whether the direction in which you are preparing is correct or not. So let me give you an example and try to explain what I want to say. So say if you write in your exam, in a maths exam, if you write 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, will your teacher give you marks? The answer is obviously no. So suppose you now do the hard work and continue to keep practicing as to how to arrive at the correct answer for 2 plus 2. And you work hard for 1,000 times, you keep writing. But at the end of the 1,000 times, you again write 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Will the teacher give you the marks? No. Why? Because the answer is still wrong. So your effort of trying to understand as to how to arrive at the correct answer of 1,000 times has gone waste. So my sincere advice to you people is whatever effort you people are putting in life, please let it be in the right direction. And that is where the whole name of this academy has been coined, Direction Under Experts. It means that it is our endeavor out here to ensure you get into the right path. The moment you get into the right path, you will at some point in time arrive at your goal. For example, if you write 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, the teacher will give you marks? Yes. Suppose you write 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Will the teacher give you marks? The answer is yes. If you write 1 plus 3, will the teacher give you marks? Yes. If you write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4, again the teacher will give you marks. Suppose the teacher asks you one more option and then you write 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 40 times and you write 4 after that, the answer would be correct. Similarly, 5 minus 1 is another option which again gives you to the right answer, 4. Again you will get marks. So to cut this long story short, you will get the marks provided your answer is 4 in whichever way you want to arrive at, because the answer is always right. So similarly, every person, every defense aspirant has his own journey towards recommendation. And again my advice would be Find out your own path to coming up to the right method. Please don't try to copy others, because it is your personality, your background, your family background. You have been in a different situation, not like the other person. What is correct for A may not be correct for B. But if you try to mix these two up, as to see, I always keep hearing कि सर उसने ऐसा किया, मैं भी ऐसी करूँगा. If you go with that attitude, you may not get recommended. Why? Because it was suitable for him, not for you. Because you have been brought up in a different situation, different background, different setup. Your experience is different from the other person. So please, the journey towards your recommendation has to be correct. The path can be different. So for example, a 2 and 2, if you relate it to a personality, is a consistent person who has done everything. A 3 plus 1 person would be good in something, not so good in something. 1 plus 3 is a person who is he is not good in one thing and the other part is good enough from the person who was 3 plus 1. Similarly, 0.1 plus 0.1, he is coming up to the right answer, but he is taking too much of time. If you feel you are that kind of person, then you have to start that much early for your preparation, so that when you go and give your SSB, you are fully ready to get recommended. It should not happen that, oh, I am going on the right path, but I don't have time. And who is that person who is 5 minus 1? He is that personality who has understood his weakness and has removed his weakness. And thereafter he is coming up to the right answer. So again, many times people come and approach me. Ki, sir, I want guidance. I said, very well. So when is your SSB? Sir, SSB is going to come after 5-6 months. So I have got time with me. So I will join you 3 months from now. If your thought process is like that, it is wrong. Why? Because in case you are that 0.1 plus 0.1 wala person, you require time. You have to work harder. So the more time you have, the better prepared you are. So get on to the part right at the beginning. Again, I go to the same maths analogy. If you have to run 100 meters and there is a difference in direction by 1 degree, where one person will land and where the other person will land, there is a difference, lateral difference of 17 meters with just 1 degree difference in the direction towards your goal. So please remember that. Keep focus on your direction, understand what is required, and thereafter pursue your dreams of getting recommended. Thank you.